This morning, Senator Bill Hagerty visited the town of Waverly. It comes 10 months after the town experienced catastrophic, deadly flooding last summer. Madison Glassman is live in Waverly now with more on the senator's visit. Madison.
Hey, Nicole, this door that you see behind me has an X on it, the number 2 and a 0. The sheriff telling us this is where the 2 infants lived that were swept away during the flood. Senator Bill Hagerty is assessing flood damage and recovery efforts this morning in Waverly with Representative Mark Green. They both said they will make the government, quote, do their job when it comes to recovery here in town. Right behind us from where we're standing is Trace Creek, where in just a matter of 23 minutes, what was dry land was swallowed up by 4 feet of water. 20 people were killed August 21st of last year. Senator Hagerty, Representative Green, we're talking with community members this morning, learning what needs to be done to rebuild. Take a listen.
The tragedy that this community has suffered, and to see these homes still boarded up, still awaiting government action is extremely disappointing. I'd hope they would move much sooner. I think Congressman Green and I are going to make certain that we get back and put a lot more pressure on the situation to make certain we get the answers here right now.
And again, there's still a lot of assessment work that needs to take place. We're told the paperwork for the assessment for this housing behind us, this is by the Dollar General, right by the creek, is due July 8th. That's when Senator Hagerty and Representative Green say they will know more about how to move forward from there. We're live in Waverly. I'm Madison Glassman, News 2.
Thank you, Madison.